Welcome to part 5 of our OU Campus training series of videos. This video will cover side navigation. Now, Sidenav is one of the things we get the most questions about, so I'll walk you through how it works. Basically, the CMS uses what we call auto side nav, meaning when you create a new page, it will automatically be added to the side navigation to that content section. But there are a couple of things you need to do in order for that new page to appear on the side nav of all of the other pages within that section. So we'll go into the CMS and we'll go into a section folder, and you'll see we had created a new test page in our previous videos. And so what we're going to do is we're going to publish this page. And when I go and look at this in a new window, you're going to see test page is the name of the new page, and you'll see it in the side navigation here. But now if I go to click on one of the other pages within this section, that test page is not there. So the reason is because we published that individual page, but we also need to republish the other pages in the section for that link to appear in the side nav. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to pages, and what we're going to do is we're going to check the other pages in the section that we want to republish and click publish. And then when the status bar changes, we'll see that the publish has been completed. So they've successfully published. So now when we go back and we refresh, now you see that test page is included in the side navigation of all of the pages in this section, in addition to the test page itself. So that's if you create a new page. That also applies if I rename a page, or I should say if I rename a page title. So if I check a page out and go to properties, I can change the page title in here. So let's say I change it to newest page and save it. It's changed here, and again, if I publish it and view it, it'll say newest page here, but when I go to one of the other pages, it still says new page. So again, what I'll need to do is republish the other pages in the section in order for that change to be reflected across the side nav in all of those pages. So once I see that this successfully published, if I refresh, you'll see it now says newest page, the new page title. So basically, you need to republish the files in a section if you add a page, delete a page, change the page title of a page, or reorder the pages. And remember, the pages are ordered in alphabetical order by default. If you decide to give each of these pages a priority number, you'll need to republish all of the pages in order for that change to be reflected in the side navigation of all of those pages. The other thing with side navigation, remember, if I go into page properties, if I decided to change, if I decided to hide the side navigation on a page, or if I decided not to show a page in a side navigation, I can do that within the page properties. But again, if I make any changes, I'm going to have to republish all the pages in that section in order for it to appear, in order for the change to take place in the side nav of all of those pages. For complete help documentation on our OU Campus content management system, please visit our support site at stonybrook.edu/OU support.